combinación de parajes y clima mexicanos produce
¿A
el
dónde
deseo
vamos?
en el paraíso de los
Sinaloa.
parapentes.
Hey guys, so we are here in a rancho. It's I think it's in Culiacán, or it's a ranchito. Honestly, I don't know, but it's called La Loma or something. This year visiting Josh's family, and I look like poop. My lashes are falling. But yeah, we're just here meeting family and his uncle that he hasn't seen in a long time. It's pretty cool here seeing how they live different here than in the US. It's just such a big difference, but I love it. I actually want a rancho. Some time of my life I want a rancho, so yeah. I'll try to record as much as I can for you guys. ¿Y esos ponen huevos?
Sí, ¿cómo no?
A ver, póntela.
Tengo cabezón.
No te entra. Pues ese Brasil el duranguense. Oh, parece Espinosa Paz. Ay, la Leti va a venir ahorita.
Vámonos, loco. Cierro. Ay, ñora.
Aquí tenemos al chef Josh en su mero mole de mariscos en su ranchito. Swipe up for a ceviche recipe. Link below.
No, pues aquí en Sinaloa se usa la ropita a mano, eso de ir a la lavandería, no. Eso es pura flojera, aquí haces ejercicio. Por pago, ¿verdad? Da vuelta, sácale todo el sudor que tenga ahí, toda la suciedad, mira. Ahí va. No ocupas gastar luz. Ni moneda, ¿verdad? Ni monedas, esas te las ahorras. Las monedas que te ahorras son para pistear.
Es así, ¿verdad? La lavamos.
Exprimes, mira. Y ya está lavado, mira. Más rápido que inmediatamente. Olorosa.
Mejor que la
Sí.
lavada allá, ¿verdad?
Sí.
A ver, ahora tú.
A ver.
Se le va el jabón.
Nos le damos recio, sí, recio. Boteamos. Arrollamos, así de, nos exprimimos. ¿Qué moneda?
Tienes que enjuagarle el jabón.
Estamos terminamos, pues. Echamos un poquito más agua y detallamos otra vez.
Agárrale otra un poquín.
A ver.
Para que no se mueva.
No.
Agárrale ahí. No, esta acá. Esta aquí y esta para acá. Agárrale ahí. Agárrale.
Agarro y
Y ande.
te traemos recio.
Andile, a ver. Es que no sabía. Esperancita.
¿Cierto?
Ahí está, esta es la vuelta.
Vámonos.
¿Usted la hizo?
Sí.
A ver.
Que el José lo dejó sucio, pues no sabe. Hay que pegarle otra lavadita. Dile, no, que el botecito que se mire ahí la mano. No es que no sabía.
Sí, porque tú no me hiciste un lado.
A ver.
¿Sabe? ¿Para qué me dices que no? Ya ves, ¿sabes?
Tállale. A ver, El trapo va a quedar transparente ya.
Ya sabes, ¿no? ¿Qué no? Sí, le ponemos un broche aquí para que el aire no se lo lleve, no tire, mira, ahí está.
Y ahí quedó, ¿va?
Ahí quedó.
So I know I haven't vlogged for you guys. We've been hanging out with Josh's family. I got to meet his uncle and most of his family here. And they're really, really, really nice. They cook for us breakfast. I've been showing you guys little clips. I can't really vlog here because I'm kind of shy. But yesterday I went to hang out to like a river. And people were like in their own car drinking. And I like that his uncle keeps on telling us stories and, you know, like things that had happened to him here in Sinaloa and a lot of like scary things. But yeah, I like to hear those stories. So today we just woke up, we got ready. We're gonna go to like, I want to go to like a shop here in Sinaloa and Culiacán so we can buy a few things, and then we're gonna head out to Mazatlan because it's our last day here, and I think it's only like an hour drive or an hour and 15 minutes. So I'm gonna try to vlog today for you guys. Well, hey guys, I'm back in Mazatlan. So things didn't go like we wanted to. We were just supposed to go to the rancho just for a day, but we stayed for the next day. And we're supposed to come early. We were gonna go on a little cruise with my sister and her friend. So we got here so late. So as soon as we got to Mazatlan, Josh left with his family because his family came to Mazatlan. And I just left by myself and I'm waiting. They left on the boat already. I was here like literally like 5 minutes late. Like they left and then 5 minutes I got here and I'm like, oh, I didn't make it on time, but I'm here and now I'm just waiting for my little lanchita to go by myself. I'm low-key scared. I don't know, I'm just scared of the ocean, but hopefully everything turns out good. So we'll see what's up on the other side of the island. It's a little isla. I don't know what's gonna happen, but yeah, I just want to update you guys. I know I've been sucking at vlogging. Honestly, it's so hard when you just want to have fun and don't worry about taking out your phone to vlog, but I'm trying my best. So yeah.
No está así como para, o sea, no está tan caro, pero no está tan caro.
I made it, guys. La banda, las alcohólicas.
Buena amiga.
Mira que fue la chingada.
A ver, saludos a quién? A la ex.
A la ex.
Ah, para...
Quisiera morir de esto de amarte me trajo.
Alright, so up next, my sister. Ah, I'm gonna get one. My sister and her friend are getting at the banana. Oh, they're gonna fall. Someone's actually really scared. That's why I'm not going to swim because I know how to swim. Oh, I don't know if you guys can hear me actually because look at her, look at her. Go, baby! She's so wild. Oh, hell no. See, I tonight after makeup and doing our hair. Ah, my hair. It was fun though. I forgot. I don't know. It was. Oh, what happened? And this is how the last night of Mazatlan looks like. This is the beach, and look at this. Look at the ocean right there. Wow. That's crazy. Goodbye, Mazatlan. I was gonna interview you guys, but you guys are not wearing makeup.
Okay.
So, how was your experience, Yanni?
It was amazing. I'm like, last night was the best though. Like,
Yeah. Now we know for next time what to do, what not to do, where to go.
Yeah. And the tour was fun too.
Yeah.
The banana boat. The last night was fun. The last day was fun in general. That's it.
Hey guys, so that was it for the video. I know it was all over the place, but I just wanted to end the video here because I didn't record any outro. Of course, we're back to San Diego, and I really want to go back already. I miss it. I'm planning to go back in February. I think there's gonna be a carnaval. That's where a lot of like artists go, like bandas and like Mexican artists go, and se llena el malecón, which I'm super excited. This year I didn't get to go, and I know a lot of people that went and they post like their Snapchats, and it looks so fun. Hopefully by February everything's good and we can go. And yeah, it was so much fun, and it's important to take time off sometimes because life can get crazy, and you know, like, you just gotta take a break. If not, you're gonna go crazy. So I really recommend Mazatlan. It's not like super fancy or expensive. It's like a really economic place to go, and you have fun, and it's beautiful, and I love it. So the people there are super, super nice. So yeah, so like you saw, we went to my boyfriend's family rancho. They're really, really nice, and I'm so thankful for them. Si están mirando este video, muchas gracias por todo. They welcome you with so much love. When we got there, they literally had breakfast for us already, and it was so amazing. Just knowing, you know, like where he comes from, and that explains how, like, that explains why he's super nice, and you know, he's always like trying to help and trying to cook. So yeah, it was nice meeting them. Hopefully I can go back there again and, you know, spend more time, because we only went for like a day and a half. It was not enough. We wanted to go to Culiacán because he has more family there, but it wasn't enough time. Hopefully we can go next time for more time. And yeah, then I went back to Mazatlan, and I went with my sister and her friend to a cruise. It was so much fun. It was like $20, and they take you to an island, and then you can eat there, drink, open bar, but the drinks suck. The bandas there, you can get to ride horses or like go on the banana boat. Everything for $20, so it's really worth it. And that's how we ended the last day. We wanted to have as much fun as possible, and then at night we just went out. We had some drinks. It started to rain so hard. There was thunder. We got all wet. We ran to the hotel because we were walking. It was like a block away, and it was so much fun. The trip ended up amazing. The next day we just woke up and went for breakfast because, like I mentioned in the past video, which if you haven't watched it, go watch it. It's at the first part of our trip, so go watch it. And yeah, we had breakfast because we bought the all-inclusive, not inclusive, it came with breakfast. So the food is also amazing, like a lot of like Mexican dishes. So it was definitely fun. You know, you come back and you are ready to start again, you know, the routine, working out. I don't feel like I gain a lot of weight. I haven't weighed myself, but I feel like over there you pretty much eat mostly like fresh foods, like fruit, like mariscos, and everything's super light. So I didn't come back super bloated, just that time that I had hot dog. But yeah, it was amazing. I'm not worried about if I gain weight or not, because you know, you can get back on track. That's what's important, that you get back and you don't stay in vacation mode your whole life, because that's gonna ruin everything. So just get back at it, get back to your routine, and you're gonna be okay, and prepare yourself for another trip. So guys, please stay safe, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog and the past one. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and please turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. And stay cool, because it's so hot. Like, I don't even wear any more makeup because it's just too hot. So yeah guys, remember, I love you guys, and remember to do what's right and what's easy, and I'll see you guys in the next video.